Yeah, there's one in the water. Just beautiful. Hola, Pelicanos. Just beautiful. Hola. And there's 5 over here, Sam. Another one. Real life pterodactyls. They really are. Oh, look, there they go. That is just amazing. Yeah, they're so beautiful. Look at his eyes, huh? It looks like a young one though. Hola. Real life dinosaur right here. Ava would be amazed. They're just beautiful. Yeah. He's got little teeth at the end of it. Just stunning. To be this close is just amazing. You're beautiful. Trying to think, what are these people like? Just such amazing animals. Hola, señorita. Señorita.